Interdisciplinarians know that there are many research methods and that each one has its own strengths and weaknesses. They take the stance that no one method is best, that no one approach should be privileged over the others. In fact, this position is more mainstream than ever before. More and more disciplinarians are also adopting this stance. Unfortunately, disciplinarians sometimes develop preferences for using a certain method to study a certain theory. A reliance on these theory-method combinations may be convenient, but it's not comprehensive. Interdisciplinarians are careful to choose one or more methods that are appropriate for the current project. Developing adequacy in methods then involves understanding the methods used by disciplinarians to test theories and evaluating the strengths and limitations of methods as they were used by the authors of the research you include.